All right, so the last few days have been wild for the crypto market. We've seen Bitcoin break above $30,000 per coin, reaching 2023 highs. Altcoins and meme coins are finally starting to rally. And there's a project that I invested in just a few days ago that is up 3x in the last 72 hours, up 25% in the last 24 hours. And I want to talk about a project symbol MLP. MLP, you could go ahead and check it out on DEX tools. If you want to go ahead and trade it, you could see if you're looking on the 15-minute chart, it has been trending upwards significantly over the last week. And it's a project that I am just extremely bullish on long term because of what they are doing. So right now it has liquidity of right around 144,000, market cap of 1.47 million, but the market it's trying to attack has seen projects with multi-$100 million market cap. So this has potential to be a 100, 200x project, just depending on the success of it long term. If we look at their website, there's a few things that stand out about ML protocol. And one of the main reasons why I'm talking about it is that a lot of you guys had been messaging me about this on Twitter saying, what do you think of this project? How has it been rallying, 100% every single day? What's been going on? Why is it up 25% today? So when you're looking at ML protocol, ultimately it's an aggregator of mixers. And this is important because whether you use mixers or not, it's a very significant sector of the crypto market. If you're looking at the ML protocol in particular, there's 6 main things that they talk about that differentiates them from other platforms. They said ultimately that they've built a decentralized front end that aggregates all major popular crypto mixers like Fixed Float, Sideshift, Changelly, Tornado, 0x0, MTE, and more onto your very own ML protocol platform. And whether you use these sorts of platforms or not, ultimately, that doesn't matter to me. What matters to me is buying a token that can appreciate in value long term. And personally, I've already seen MLP tokens in my wallet increase in value. So that's all I care about. I care about, is a project going to succeed long term? Can it make me money? And if yes, well, I'd like to invest in those types of projects, especially when they're smaller market cap projects leading up into a major bull market, which is exactly what we're experiencing right now. Bitcoin is up, altcoins are just starting to follow, and soon enough, we're going to see these micro cap altcoins really explode. When you're looking at some of the advantages, though, of ML protocol, you can see that it says aggregated mixing. The protocol aggregates the service of multiple mixers, ensuring your transactions are routed through a complex network of anonymous processes. This makes tracing the origin and destination of your funds virtually impossible, safeguarding your financial privacy. They talk about a user-friendly interface. So they just say that despite its advanced technology, their ML protocol boasts a user-friendly interface, intuitive controls, and clear instructions and guide to go through the entire process, making it accessible to users of all levels and technical expertise. So when you go ahead and you go to their website, you can easily check this out and click Use DApp. When you click on Use DApp, you can go and you see it's a very simple and intuitive platform. It says you send, let's say, Ethereum, and you get, we can just pick any random coin we want. We could say AXX, and you just have to input your AXS address, and it goes from there. And you can do this from any coin. You could send any coins, receive any coins. It's very simple. You could see the entire list just right here. So it's very simple, easy to do, and it aggregates all of these different mixers in one place. As you can see, it was extremely user-friendly. A few other things it talks about or decentralized architecture. Decentralized architecture ultimately is operating on a decentralized network. ML protocol eliminates the single point of failure, which enhances security. It says your transactions are processed across a distributed network of servers, making it highly resistant to attacks and ensuring uninterrupted service. This is one of the main reasons why I think we've seen this project go from less than 50 cents per token just about a week ago to now over $1.45 per token, is because of this decentralized architecture. And that is the whole point of this type of token and this type of project. You want to see that there's not a single point of failure, ultimately that it can run and succeed long term despite what goes on with the market. Fourth thing is dynamic fee structure. So they say enjoy flexible and competitive fees tailored to your mixing requirements. Their protocol offers a dynamic fee structure, ensuring you pay a fair price based on the complexity and speed of your transaction. That's something that is very important because you don't want to see an extremely high fee for this type of service, this type of crypto project, you like to see that dynamic fee structure in place. They talk about advanced encryption, which ultimately they say state-of-the-art encryption protocols and secure your data throughout the mixing process. Your transaction details are encrypted end-to-end, preventing unauthorized access and guaranteeing the confidentiality of the financial information. And the last differentiating factor is transparent transactions. So while ensuring your privacy, their protocol also maintains a transparent approach to your transactions. You receive detailed receipts, transaction logs, and all that information so you can verify the activity, keeping your identity confidential, but also ensuring that everything goes through smoothly. So this is one of the many reasons why I invest in this project. A few of you guys let me know about it on Twitter. I decided to invest in it. It's up significantly over the last few days. I have no plans of selling this anytime soon, especially when we're looking at the current market conditions. Current market conditions would suggest that, now that we've seen Bitcoin rally, broke through $30,000 per coin, now that we're starting to see layer one altcoins start to rally, it's only a matter of time before we see micro cap altcoins really explode. So that is why I'm going to not sell this. If I ever sell it, I'll let you guys know. You'll be the first ones to be aware of. But ultimately, this is a product I think has a lot of potential long term. And the last few things I do want to go over is they say, why would you choose ML protocol? Well, ultimately, they say that you're opting for the most advanced and secure method to protect your financial transactions. Your privacy is their priority, and their cutting edge technology ensures that your digital assets remain confidential, secure, and untraceable. They say that they have, all these different aspects in place and features in place. And from what I have seen and what a lot of people have been messaging me about this platform, it's something that I think has huge long-term potential because, like I said, whether you use these platforms or not is not a concern to me. I don't care. But ultimately, when I see a project that has a huge market, a lot of people using it, it's simple to use, and I get positive feedback from people using a platform, well, I want to invest in that type of project where, can appreciate and value long term if we continue to see more users and more traction gained for the project. So let me know your thoughts on this project. It is growing pretty rapidly on all social media platforms, Twitter, Telegram, and it's just something that you definitely should keep on your radar. So the symbol is MLP. It's up, over now like 30% in the last 24 hours, and it seems to have a lot of potential.